In a main media also, I can't cite, I doesn't want to give the names. They're dividing, they want a division of this society and different, not division of the society, poor and rich. This division of the society through religion wise. Certain people are very much against a certain religion. They doesn't want to see that religion's existence. This is giving the division of the country, not society. Division of the country. Social media behavior is very unethical part of it, and it is damaging the social fabric also. But controlling word itself is a dangerous one. Without social media, today's media scenario, if you see, mainstream media is polarized politically and business-wise, earning money also. If social media is not there, then a very dark situation for this democracy.
During a visit to the Karnataka Media Academy, Telangana Media Academy President Srinivas Reddy stressed the importance of prioritizing skill development and professional growth for journalists. He spoke about the training programs initiated by the Telangana Academy to prepare media professionals for the demands of a rapidly changing information landscape. Reddy also spoke about the roots of the Telangana Media Academy, mentioning that it was modelled after the Karnataka and Kerala Media Academies, with him serving as its founding president when the academy was established in undivided Andhra Pradesh. Meanwhile, Karnataka Media Academy President Ayesha Khanum expressed her support for collaborative efforts and emphasized her academy's focus on developing impactful training programs for journalists in Karnataka. She highlighted the value of learning from the approaches used by academies in other states to strengthen local initiatives. Key attendees included Telangana Journalists Association President Virahat Ali, Karnataka Media Academy members H.V. Kiran and K. Venkatesh, Karnataka Journalist Union President Nirmala Yaligar, and Yasir Mukstaq from the Bangalore Press Club. Reddy also shared his views on how traditional media must adapt to the growth of social media and artificial intelligence while upholding ethical standards and maintaining credibility in journalism.
Now, digital age, we are changing ourselves. We must change. We must change. That's all. But in this new situation, new technology also, dangers are there. As you said earlier, false news. The AI is good for technology wise. It is also dangerous for the technology. They will change your face. If you sit calm, they will open your mouth. The words which are not put in your mouth are being circulated through your mouth. These dangers we must take care of.
How do you see a recent trend in today's journalism? Because you have been an ace journalist, you have seen the way how journalism started, and today how you see today's journalism?
So today's journalism not completely discouraging because younger generation have a different perspectives and researches, investigative journalism. uh, the definition of news also changed now. The other part of it is very dangerous part. That is credibility also equally coming down. This is because of the journalism is meant for the responsibility towards the society. The social responsibility is there. That is slowly missing and recently very fast missing. This is concern to everyone.